Welcome, in front of me is ACER TravelMate P2, and in this video I will show you how to enter BIOS menu on this laptop. To do that, press the power button once and then repeatedly start pressing F2 key until you see the the BIOS screen. Okay, and here you can navigate using left and right arrow keys. You can select settings using down and up arrow keys. You can change values by pressing enter, selecting a different value and pressing enter again. And you can reset defaults by pressing F9. You can save and exit using F10. And you can exit without saving by pressing escape and enter to confirm. And that's how you enter BIOS on this laptop. So thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.